Have you ever wanted to invest your money, but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're looking for a way to grow your wealth over time. If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Stashway, a popular investing platform. Stashway is a great platform for people who are new to investing or who want to learn more about how to invest their money. They offer a variety of different investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Stashway also makes it easy to track your investments and see how your money is growing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Stashway from your bank account. I'll also show you how to set up your Stashway account and start investing. Step 1. Create a Stashway account. If you don't already have a Stashway account, you'll need to create one. This is a very simple process that only takes a few minutes. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once you have a Stashway account, you'll need to link your bank account. This will allow you to transfer money to and from your Stashway account. Step 3. Transfer money to Stashway. Once your bank account is linked, you can transfer money to Stashway. There are a few different ways to do this, including bank transfer. You can transfer money from your bank account to Stashway by initiating a wire transfer. ACH transfer. You can transfer money from your bank account to Stashway using an ACH transfer. Debit card. You can transfer money from your bank account to Stashway using your debit card. Step 4. Start investing. Once your money is in Stashway, you can start investing. Stashway offers a variety of different investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can choose the investment options that best fit your goals and risk tolerance. Additional tips. Set up automatic transfers. You can set up automatic transfers from your bank account to Stashway. This is a great way to save money for investing. Diversify your portfolio. It's important to diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of assets. This will help to reduce your risk. Review your investments regularly. It's important to review your investments regularly to make sure that they are still on track to meet your goals. Transferring money to Stashway is a great way to start investing. Stashway is a great platform for people who are new to investing or who want to learn more about how to invest their money. With that said, thank you for watching.